that indicator of place. In general, the adverb of place is at the end of a sentence, but sometimes the adverb can be at the beginning of a sentence, or it can also be in the middle of a sentence. This adjusts the context of the sentence. Function of which has a function as an explanation of where an activity occurred or is carried out. Location: the direct in which someone or something moves. Direction: however, someone or something is destined. Here are some come adverb of place and example of who to use them. Adverb: here example: come here and sit next to me. There the store is over there. Near the park is near my house. Where the beach is far from her. Below the fish are swimming. Below the surface. Inside the cat is inside in the house. Outside let play outside in the air.
Hello everyone, my name is Rafi. Ariel was always searching for human treasure. When she and Flounder found a strange forget object, they swam to the surface to find Kettle the seagull. It's a dinglehopper, he proclaimed. Ariel's father was King Triton, rule of the sea. He thought humans were dangerous. When he learned that Ariel had been to the surface, he forbade her to ever go a guide. That escaped Sebastian to Crab to keep an eye on her. As Ariel continued to go to the surface, one night a terrible storm swept across the sea. Ariel and Flounder watched as a prince fell off a high ship. I must save him, she cried. Ariel piloted Prince Eric to shore and sang to him. Then they swam away. Prince Eric only took a glimpse of Ariel's face, but her cloak would remember her beautiful voice forever. Desperate to see Prince Eric again, Ariel agreed to give her voice to the evil sea witch Ursula, which bigger pens in Maine. Ursula cast a spell and turned Ariel into a human. But if Prince Eric didn't kiss Ariel by sunset come that day, she would become a mermaid again. Even worse, she would belong to the sea which Kermit be her silent beauty. Prince Eric sought Ariel his kingdom. Ariel loved being with the prince in the human world, but the two had not yet kissed.
Warrior thought Prince Eric was falling in love with Ariel. Ursula transformed herself into the beautiful Vanessa. She was going to make the prince fall in love with her instead. Disguised as Vanessa and using Ariel's voice, the sea witch cast a spell on Prince Eric. He thought he was in love. He was going to marry Vanessa. Ariel had lost her true love. Just before sunset on the third day, discovered that Vanessa was Ursula in disguise. He hurried to warn Ariel as Sebastian. Went to find King Triton. Ariel and Flounder raced to catch Prince Eric's ship. With the help of her friends, Ariel was able to stop the wedding and get her voice back. Released from Ursula's spell, Prince Eric realized that Ariel was the one he truly loved, but it was too late. The sun went down before Ariel and the prince could kiss. She was a mermaid once more, and she belonged to Ursula to save his daughter. King Triton gave Ursula his great before and become her prisoner. No, I am the ruler of all the ocean, shouted Ursula. As Ursula grew in size and towered above the sea, Prince Eric jumped aboard an old ship. He stabbed his jagged brow, took Ursula's heart. With a hole, the sea witch disappeared in waves. With Ursula gone, King Triton regained his power, saying Ariel's love for Prince Eric. The king granted her wish. She became human. Ariel and Prince Eric married and lived happily in castle by the sea.
Hai, aku Muli. From this story, there is an adverb of place in section 1. Ariel, a little mermaid, lived in the water with her friend Flounder and dreamed of living on land as a human. Living on land as a human, this is an adverb of place 1. Next, when she and Flounder found a strange forked object, they swam to the surface to find Scuttle the seagull. Swam to the surface to find Scuttle. This is an adverb of place too. Ariel and Prince Eric married and lived happily in a castle by the sea. Live happily in a castle by the sea. Adverb of place because they're in a castle by the sea. But Ariel continued to go to the surface. One night, a terrible storm swept across the sea. Continued to go to the surface. This is adverb of place 3. Next, Ariel and Flounder watched as a prince fell off a huge ship. I must save him, she cried. Fell off a huge ship, adverb of place 4. Next, Ursula transformed herself into Vanessa, pretending to fall in love with her. She cast a spell on Prince Eric, who thought he was in love with her. Just before sunset, Scuttle discovered Vanessa was Ursula in disguise. Ariel and Flounder managed to stop the wedding and restore her voice. She cast a spell on Prince Eric. This is a adverb of place, but 50-50 sih, kayak menurut aku masuk soalnya ada on. As Ursula grew in size and soared above the sea, Prince Eric jumped aboard an old ship above the sea. This is verb of place 5, but Prince Eric jumped aboard an old ship is also adverb of place next. So he steered its jagged bow through Ursula's heart with a hole the sea which disappeared in the waves. Disappeared in the waves is also adverb of place 6.